up, guys? So today's gonna be a pretty fun vlog. I'm actually going right now to meet up with a couple of friends. We're gonna go ahead and hit the canyons. I'm not sure how many cars are gonna go. I think a couple of Mustangs. I'm probably the only Camaro. This is my Camaro ZL1. So I'll show you guys once we meet up. Let's see how many cars we could get. By the way, I need gas. This Camaro does not run good on low gas. It's cammed out, so needs more fuel. I don't know about this trip already. He said meet up at Dunkin' Donuts. I'm at Dunkin' Donuts, and now I text him. He's like, "Oh no, Jack in the Box." They better be at the Jack's. And we're off to the gas station. Oh. Slowly angled. Perfect. They lied to me. They said there was gonna be a variety of cars. All I see is Mustangs and a Focus. This is Julio's car, my boy. Hey, did you stall?
Yeah, I want you to drive
this is Julio.
gt5. Guy is here.
Here's my homie Oliver's car and his brother Victor. And it's an EcoBoost, I think. Ford. I don't know what it is. And then we have another 5.0. Gotta stay away from these things because once these things accelerate, they go to the side. We don't want that. Nothing happening to this one. Insufficient funds. All I need is 20 bucks of gas. Oh no. There we go. Only 91 for her. Huh? Mine was 1/4 and I put.
You for real? No. You ever been up there?
56, 1/4.
Yeah.
Leaving the gas station. I got the ride or die homie right here, little Chapito. Full tank. This guy's fault. This is the guy that's fucking throwing all the rocks, the dirt. By the way, we're going to Angel Crest Canyon. I don't know if I forgot to mention that. It's about a 30-35 minute drive there, so I'll show you guys when we get a little bit closer. Woo! Real quick. Something happened. Before you guys go anywhere, you guys gotta make sure to check your fluids, oil, water, make sure everything's on good. What happened?
I don't know. I think he hit something.
I was so close to hitting that one tire. You know how they crashed? I swerved out the way. That's how, like, I just missed it, but I was looking straight ahead. I'm like, fuck this. One Mustang down. It's a different.
And smell something.
They're saying it's a diff leaking. Oh yeah. You can kind of see. You can see it right there a little bit. Fuck. Let's see if one of these guys wants to run it. R8 or the Ferrari. No fun, no fun. Sick Ferrari though. Damn. Sick. We're about to enter the canyons. Oh. Alright, I'll follow Julio. Oh, the ricer flyby. The fumes from a straight pipe. Ah, muy chingón, muy chingón. Damn. Some pretty cool cars out here. This is where we should put it. Golf. 06. Woo. Nice ass. This Lambo that one day I'll own. Maybe not this one, but I'll own one of them, even if it means getting a 90s Lambo. Actually, probably those are more expensive now. This one's fucking sick. That's okay. Pop the hood, bro. Pop the hood. I got a single cam turbo, bro. What's up? eBay built. Yeah. I have a bike myself, but I'll be scared as hell to bring it to the canyons. I'm not a pro like that. I'm gonna go in get some coffee. Un cafecito con pan. You gotta love a clean S2000. Makes me miss mine. We got this one with the CR wheels, CR lip. You got the Grand Prix White with the C28s. Dope. OEM hardtop. Oh, I didn't see the Recaro seats. V10. This one looks fucking hard. Was that dude in blue?
Hey, that's not rubber, bro. That's a straight clutch. Yeah, I know.
McLaren.
I'll take the Porsche.
I'll take the zl1.
I'll take the Porsche. Everything. What would you take?
Damn, it says he's a warrior. That's a warrior car. This thing is super dope.
This is riding on slicks up here.
Yep.
Well, you're like a 70 something then?
No.
Like a 70 something, no?
This is probably like one of my favorite cars up here, I'm not gonna lie. Like, even though it's old and it's been driven though, you could tell it's... Nothing inside, no radio, nothing.
Yeah. Mega uncomfortable, like I did. With the bucket.
Damn.
No quema, no quema.
This one's the one on bags.
Oh, this one,
Yeah. Oh, the fucking Ferrari. Time to keep moving up the mountain. Mountain? Up the mountain? Huh? Nah.
Huh?
Then I'll leave you guys behind. Woo! The only thing I don't like about the canyons is that I'm gonna get home with a bunch of rock chips. I could just hear it in my front bumper, some hitting my windshield. So that's the only downside of coming to the canyons. Pick up a bunch of rocks, pick them up. Other than that, super fun. Bye, amigos. Alright guys, well I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna just end it here because we still gotta drive home and nothing special on the way home, so see you guys in the next one.